Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to talk about the latest software update in the Realme X1 Max device. Is it worth of upgrading to this latest version or not? So a lot of users are actually waiting for this kind of review where they're actually worried about should they upgrade to the latest version or is there any kind of issues and bugs going on with this kind of latest version. So this is what I'll try to talk in this entire video. I did use this kind of update for the past, I think close to 12 hours of time, not much, just 12 to 15 hours of time with this kind of latest update. So in this update, I'll try to talk about all the details, what got fixed and what not got fixed. That is the main thing which you need to know. So the latest software update is the 8.17. As you can see friends, this is the 8.17. So first let's talk what are the problems got fixed with this issue. The first number issue is that line. So there used to be one small line when you're watching any kind of videos in the YouTube or any normal videos which are low resolution, maybe 480 resolution or 240 resolution. The line completely disappeared. Yes, I did upload a separate video. If you want, you can check that video on this particular topic. So now you cannot find any kind of line and any kind of division between the both in the video. You cannot find anything. So no issues with that kind of line. Everything is solved with this kind of update. That's the one thing. So what are the that's only one thing which got solved in this phone, nothing apart from that. I did not notice any kind of major changes. Maybe the performance might be little bit but not much. I'll like to compare the CPU throttling scores. So these are the CPU throttling score which are taken today only. I did do 2 times CPU throttling. As you can see, no adjustments. You can see the CPU throttling, how it's throttled up to 76%, and try to look at the scores, how much we got right now. As you can see friends, let me just show you the before CPU throttling, how much it is. Before it was like this. So slightly maybe the performance got a little bit kind of better, I would say, in terms of the optimizing little bit. Graph looks kind of good right now. Yes, today after a long time I'm seeing this kind of green graph in the Realme X1 Max, not like red graph. So if you watch my previous videos, you will definitely understand how is the graph looks like in the Realme X1 Max device. Most of the time they used to be kind of red is kind of color. So performance maybe a little bit got improved in terms of the maintaining throttling. That is one thing which I can definitely say that. So regarding the temperatures, I did notice again the temperatures are increasing slightly more in the Realme X1 Max. So I did not play much games, to be frank, but I did use a couple of applications, benchmark applications. So based on those testings only, I did see temperatures slightly increased, yes, when compared with other phones and when compared with the previous results. That's the one thing which I did observe, but real life situation is completely different. While playing the games, so which I need to do, maybe tomorrow I'll try to test in depth. So overall friends, apart from this one, I did not see much kind of difference. Performance is good, slightly I do feel slightly better than before, and line problem got solved, and there's no issues with the camera, nothing. I did not notice anything. Even network also fine, everything is completely good. And the battery I cannot come right now into the conclusion, obviously, because this just a 12 hours of testing. So I need to at least have minimum time to test and conclude about the battery life. So maybe I will come back again after 24 hours, maybe at least 2 days of time. Just give me 2 days of time. I'll try to do in-depth testing on the battery statistics in this phone, and then I can give you the complete conclusion about this device, whether it's good update or not bad update. But so far it feels good, but other things not got solved. So right now the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay 90 FPS problem is not solved, and 4D haptic vibrations you cannot play in the games, that's also not solved. 120 Hz refresh rate games are not working, and applications also not working. That's another problem did not get solved. Touch sampling rate still remaining at 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max. Still that problem did not get solved in this phone. So these are the issues still existing in this phone, still needed to get solved. So maybe with the next update it might be able to get fixed in the Realme X1 Max device. Overall, the one and only good thing about this is that right now the line problem is solved in the Realme X1 Max. That's the best part about this update. That's completely fixed. Right at this moment, I am not cared about other things because the line is so irritating. So if only few users are actually facing that kind of problem, not all of them. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review on the latest software update in this phone. So only one good thing, line problem, and the performance also slightly got better in terms of maintaining throttling. So I need to be aware of the temperatures and the battery draining. So those two things I need to check only after maybe 24 hours to 48 hours, only then I'll be able to come into the conclusion. So don't worry about that, definitely I'll try to do the video as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video friends, and meanwhile follow me regularly to check the speed test and RAM management test and all other comparison with other phones. You will get to know more details about the Realme X1 Max device. See you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.